Running a business in today's digital age often feels like juggling a dozen different apps. Each app promises to make your life easier, but in reality, it often complicates things even more. You need one for social media, another for email marketing, and each one requires its own set of skills and time to manage. Then there's the app for creating visual content, which is essential for engaging your audience. The list goes on, with each new app adding to the complexity. It's a hassle, it's expensive, and frankly, it's exhausting. The constant switching between apps drains your energy and productivity. Imagine a world where you could replace all those apps with just one. A single, unified tool that simplifies your workflow. A world where a single tool could handle everything from content creation to marketing automation, streamlining your entire business process. That's the promise of AI Supreme. It aims to consolidate all your business needs into one powerful platform, making your life easier and your business more efficient. AI Supreme is a revolutionary new AI-powered platform designed to streamline and automate your business operations. No more jumping between different apps and platforms. AI Supreme brings everything you need under one roof. And the best part? AI Supreme is incredibly easy to use. Its intuitive interface requires no technical expertise. Whether you're a tech-savvy entrepreneur or just starting out, you'll find AI Supreme incredibly user-friendly. Creating engaging content is crucial for any business. It's the backbone of your marketing strategy and helps you connect with your audience on a deeper level. AI Supreme makes it a breeze with its powerful AI content generation capabilities. Imagine having a tool that understands your needs and delivers exactly what you want. Need a blog post, social media update, or even a video script? AI Supreme has got you covered with a variety of content types to choose from. AI Supreme can generate it for you in minutes. No more waiting for hours or days, get your content ready in a fraction of the time. Simply provide some basic information and AI Supreme will work its magic. The more details you give, the more tailored and effective your content will be. You can even customize the tone and style of the content to match your brand. Whether you need a professional tone or something more casual, AI Supreme adapts to your needs. Say goodbye to writer's block and hello to a consistent stream of high-quality content. With AI Supreme, content creation has never been easier or more efficient. Marketing automation at your fingertips. Reaching your target audience effectively can make or break your business. AI Supreme takes the guesswork out of marketing with its advanced automation features. Create targeted email campaigns, build landing pages that convert, and track your results, all within the AI Supreme platform. Imagine sending personalized emails to thousands of subscribers with just a few clicks. Or building a high-converting landing page without any coding knowledge. AI Supreme makes it all possible. AI Supreme, a design powerhouse. Visual content is more important than ever. AI Supreme comes equipped with a full suite of graphic design tools, powered by artificial intelligence. Create stunning images, logos, social media graphics, and more, all within minutes. Don't worry if you're not a design expert. AI Supreme's intuitive tools and templates make it easy for anyone to create professional-looking graphics. Elevate your brand and captivate your audience with visually appealing content. Unlock exponential growth with AI Supreme. AI Supreme isn't just another software, it's your secret weapon to unlock exponential business growth. By automating tasks, streamlining workflows, and integrating seamlessly with your existing systems, AI Supreme provides you with powerful AI tools that are designed to enhance productivity and efficiency. Imagine having a virtual assistant that never sleeps, constantly working to optimize your business processes. With AI Supreme, you can achieve more in less time, allowing you to focus on what truly matters, growing your business. And the best part? AI Supreme is available for a low, one-time price. That's right, no recurring monthly fees or hidden costs to worry about. You get complete transparency and peace of mind, knowing that your investment is secure. For a limited time, you can get lifetime access to this revolutionary platform at an unbeatable price. This is a rare opportunity to future-proof your business without breaking the bank. Don't miss out on the chance to be at the forefront of technological innovation. Embrace the power of AI Supreme and watch your business soar to new heights. The future of business is here and it's powered by AI Supreme. Hit the link below now. Unlock the full potential of your business. With AI Supreme, the sky's the limit.